To add Stripe to your Wix website and connect it for payment, start by creating a Stripe account if you don't already have one. Go to the Stripe website and sign up for an account by providing the required information such as your email address, password, and business details. Once you have a Stripe account, log into your Wix dashboard and navigate to the Wix editor. Click on the Add button on the top bar and select More from the drop-down menu. Search for Wix Payments and click on it to add the Wix Payments app to your site. After adding the Wix Payments app, click on the Connect button next to Stripe in the Wix Payments dashboard. You will be redirected to the Stripe website where you need to authorize Wix to connect to your Stripe account. Enter your Stripe login credentials and click on the Authorize Access to Account button. Once you have authorized Wix to connect to your Stripe account, you will be redirected back to the Wix Payments dashboard. Here you can configure your payment settings, such as the currency and payment methods you want to accept. Make sure to set up your payment methods correctly to avoid any issues with transactions. To test your Stripe payment gateway, go to your Wix website and add a product or service to your cart. Proceed to checkout and select Stripe as your payment method. Enter your payment details and complete the transaction. If everything is set up correctly, you should receive a payment confirmation and the transaction should be successful. It is also important to note that you need to comply with Stripe's terms of service and ensure that your website meets all the necessary requirements for using Stripe as a payment gateway. This includes having a clear refund policy, a privacy policy, and complying with all relevant laws and regulations. By following these steps, you can easily add Stripe to your Wix website and connect it for payment. This will allow you to accept payments from your customers and grow your online business. Remember to always test your payment gateway thoroughly to ensure that it is working correctly and to avoid any issues with transactions.